What do you like about guys?
Money.
Money. Have you had Black American customer before?
Yeah.
How is it? Do you like it?
I like it.
Because it's big.
Yeah.
Kumusta? Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Hit the like button and turn your notification on. Join patreon.com / Tom Yum Lechon. This is your Filipino opera. How you guys been doing? We have a woman interview tonight. I hope you all good. And please don't forget to hit the like button and comment down below. Let's get started. Hello, good evening. How are you?
I'm good.
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Raylene and I have a baby. I work in restaurant.
How old are you, be?
19 years old.
19 years old. How old is your baby?
1 year old.
1 year old. So you get pregnant when you were 18?
Yeah.
Where's the father of your child? Saan tatay ng anak mo, day?
In my province in Pangasinan.
Are you guys separated?
No.
So you still guys together? Jowa pa rin kayo?
Hindi.
Hiwalay na kayo? Oh, yun nga, separated. How long you been here at Angeles City?
2 years.
Who you live with here?
My mommy.
Your mom is. In 2 years, what did you do here?
I'm going to school then, and in night I'm going to work.
Oh my God. How old are you when you start working in the bar?
18 years old.
Last year?
Yeah.
When is your birthday?
March.
March. So you're turning 20-year-old this year.
Yeah.
Your mom, it's okay to her that you're working in the bar?
No.
But you're studying. And then, does she ask you that where are you going at night? No?
No.
What about your dad?
Died.
I'm sorry to hear that. So how old are you when your dad passed away?
Nasa tiyan pa lang ako.
When you were not born yet?
Yeah.
So you didn't chance to meet him in person, but you know what he looked like, right?
No.
Your mom doesn't have picture of him?
No. Wala.
Your dad is foreigner or Filipino?
Filipino.
So you get pregnant when you were 18?
Yeah.
And then you guys living together with your boyfriend before when you get pregnant?
Yeah.
So why you guys broke up? Kayo naghiwalay?
Ang babae din.
He cheated on you?
Yeah.
How old is this guy?
23.
23, and he's older than you.
Mm.
So why did you let him put inside you? No, di ba? Kasi, you know, when you having, you know, like that, when you having sex with the person you love, you know that you're gonna get pregnant, right? So it's okay to you that time or no? It's just, what? Ano? Okay lang?
Yeah.
It's okay. So you know that you're gonna get pregnant.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That's nice that you know. But too young. Did you regret that you had baby at the age of 18?
No.
You didn't. That's not. Yeah, your child is a blessing, okay? Maybe the father is a bad luck, but son is
Good
a
boy.
blessing. Find a Filipino guy again. Please use condom.
Yeah.
Or even foreigner guy. So, why did you decide to stop working in the bar?
Sa una, parang
The first time you like work, you like it, and then
yung parang parang nakakasawa at nakakapagod din pala.
and you get tired working in the bar.
Tinigil ko na.
Yeah, because it's not good.
Natatakot din ako, syempre baka malay mo mabuntis ako agad.
Use condom and don't let them. Why you don't use condom? She don't use condom.
Yun ang gusto mga foreigner eh.
Oh, they don't want to use condom, that's why.
Yeah.
What? They let you pop it inside, or you should pull out, baby, pull out. Who's this foreigners, guys? Young guys or old guy?
Old guy.
Old guy?
Yeah.
Sugar daddy. So how much they pay you for your bar fine?
Bar fine?
Oh, kasi diba the time you
5,000.
Korean or American, German, Australian?
American.
White, for short time or long time?
Short time.
So which one do you like the most? The young guys or the old guy?
Young guys, syempre.
Young guys. But no young guys bar fine you there?
No.
What age? Like 50? 40?
Yeah.
What do you like about guys?
Money.
Money. I like it, girl. I like it. Money because it's make us happy.
Yeah.
Who said money can't buy happiness? So how much support do you want if you find a foreigner boyfriend or Filipino boyfriend?
Support my baby?
Oo, para sa kanila, magkano yung gusto mong suporta from those guys that want you?
5,000, no?
5,000 a day?
In a week?
Oh, 20,000 guys. Oh, bongga. 20K daw a month. Oh, that's enough for you?
Yeah.
Save your $400 guys, okay? How many, if you can remember, how many guys you sleep with before? No, I mean, when you were working in the bar.
Two guests.
2 guests every day?
Yeah.
Every day?
2 guests lang.
Isang araw? How's your Isang araw yun?
1 pop lang yun, te.
1 pop only. And then after short time, you going back to the bar?
Yeah.
Oh, she's making the moves. And they don't use condom at all. Oh. So that's every day. Okay, in 1 week, how many times you get bar fine in the bar?
In 1 week?
If you can remember.
3. Like,
3? What about the Koreans?
Hindi pa ako nakaranas nun, te.
You never tried Korean guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure they will like you because your beauty is for Korean. Which one do you like, working in the bar or being freelancers outside?
I really like working in the bar.
Why?
Para ligtas, te.
So you are safe. At 8 months, did you get any hygiene check?
No.
You never get hygiene check? And you don't use condom? Bongga. Hygiene check here, you just have to pay like 800 peso. You can do it like twice a month, 800 peso. Or you can do it every week also. But you have to pay. Or clean it for yourself. You know how to clean it by yourself? No, not just you wash it. They have that medicine here that they put it to smell good. So when the guy like it tastes like ice cream or cinnamon. So how old are you when you lost your baby?
18?
Do you still love that guy? Oh,
I don't know.
You don't know? No, be honest. Do you still love him?
Hindi na.
No. So working in the bar, what did you learn?
Pag-sex.
So are you planning to go back to the bar? You are?
Ay, no.
No? Would you go back to school?
Yeah.
What do you want to become if you graduated college?
Teacher?
Teacher? When the last time you had a boyfriend?
No.
So do you breastfeed? Breastfeed ka?
No.
Do you want more baby?
No.
You don't want another baby? Why not?
I don't like now.
So as a single mom, what's hard for you?
Mahirap.
It's really hard.
Mag-isa lang. Siyempre.
It's hard being alone and you have to work hard, right? Have you had Black American customer before?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Black American? Talaga as in American? Not African, not a Nigerian, Black American. Okay. How is it? Do you like it?
I like it.
Because it's big?
Yeah.
Oh my God!
Because she like big. Old, young? Young guys?
Old?
Old guy? Did you have fun? How many Black Americans you had experience with?
3.
3. But you sure it's not Nigerian, Indian? No, not Nigerian. Mumbai.
Aray ko.
No?
No.
Yeah, why? Why not? Their Indian guys are handsome. Gugwapo kayo nila, no?
Yeah. Oo, pero
What? They smell bad?
Yeah. Aray ko.
She said she agreed that they are handsome, but the smell daw, it's not nice. Maybe some of them are not. Maybe typical Indian that living here at Philippines. All right, we have to go, guys. Let's go. Let's do fast talk, huh? Pipili ka lang isa. Or chocolate. When the last time you had customers?
Huh?
Last time may customer ka?
Kanina.
Earlier today, Filipino, foreigners guy.
Foreigner.
Short time, long time.
Short time.
Lights on, lights off.
Lights off.
Lights off. Favorite position in bed?
Tuwad.
Doggy. Spit or swallow?
Spit.
How old are you when you got your first blow? For real? 14-year-old? With your ex? Or kiss? Hanggang dito. Kiss lang.
Kiss lang.
She don't know how to drip. Do you know how to cook?
Yeah.
You know how to cook? That's nice because if you get married, you have to cook for your What's your hobby? TikTok?
Dancing.
TikTok. Bongga. Oh my God. All right, guys, we have to go. Thank you for tuning in. Join patreon.com/Tomyam Lechon. Hit the like button and share my live. Keep tuning in. I have more women interview tonight. Thank you, guys.